What you got in your bag?
Cookies.
Alright.
Maybe I cookies.
Was it?
It's still raining.
Uh-huh.
It's raining.
It's raining a tiny bit. Is it?
Bye.
Bye. Alright, this is what it looks like before we start loading up. My hair's wet. Didn't have time to fix it because we're ready to get on the road. It is Friday morning. We are heading to Savannah today to spend the night. Be careful, Day. Don't knock that over. Taylor, be gentle. Yeah, we're gonna move that just for safety. We made it to Savannah, Georgia. It took us a few extra hours more than we thought. We done a lot of stopping, just took our time, but we're here. We're at our hotel in downtown Savannah, Spring Hill Suites, and it is really nice. If you're coming to Savannah, check into Spring Hill Suites. The valet parking is a nightly rate of $29. So you do have to pay for parking, but they have free breakfast, which we'll try out in the morning. Okay, when you walk in the front door, you have a little microwave, coffee and water section, and then a little refrigerator. Hello, sir.
Hi.
You gonna show us around the room? Okay.
Here's the door.
Is that the door? Yeah, there's the door.
And here, suitcase.
That's our suitcase. Table and sitting area. This is a pull-out sofa.
And Mama.
And then you have a desk area. Hey, can you show us how you move the screens on the desk? See? Oh, I see. Or you can slide it, and it's more private. Of course, you still see Leo's shadow. Hi. TV. We've got 2 queen beds. And then right here is a half bath. And here is a little closet, extra blanket and pillow, iron board and iron. And here, behind this sliding door is the shower.
And here, bath.
And bath, yeah. It's nice. Taylor's got the remote.
Bye. Come on, Taylor. Nobody can get down there.
Mm-mm.
Huh?
No, not that way. Keep following Uncle Russ. Hi, baby. Hi. What you got in your bag?
Cookies.
All right.
Maybe I cookies.
Was it Byrd's or Beard's cookies?
That's my favorite.
No, baby. Come here. Don't fall. All right. What kind of cookies did we get? This one is salted caramel. We got triple chocolate. What else is in there? Key lime coolers. And yeah, we're gonna open them, man. Georgia peach. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You wanna eat them? Wanna try one? Good morning. There's giggles going on in the background. We slept in and we missed the included breakfast at the hotel. But we ate. We had snacks. We had bananas and muffins and stuff. So. What's wrong, Tay? Taylor's ready to go out. He's dressed and he's ready to just go out the door. But we're waiting for everybody to get ready and then we're going to hit the road.
Just push it. Oh, well that's fancy. That's really cool. I like that. Is this locked too? Yeah. Are you filming this?
Where is going to go?
I don't know.
Which one?
Oh yeah, gotta put the vase back.
This way.
Then I'll be the one to break it.